What's up, guys? We're gonna be playing Animal Restaurant. So this game, I just downloaded today. It was really I have fun in this game, so I thought I'm gonna keep it. So I so I did this. And then, if you wonder how did you got so much already, so much fishes in this game, well, I'll tell you two codes. This title's not gonna, it's gonna be something, well, I'm gonna tell you two codes. If you want to know how to boot the codes, just press this little icon things next to the 1, 2, 3, and then press with the question mark, You can enter a code. Two codes are, so one of them is gonna be LOE. Wait, actually, no, it's LOVE 2021. So it's gonna be Love 2021. This code's not gonna work for me because I already used it. For no reason, I had to redeem it. So, and then now the second one is AR999. So if you redeem that, you get it. I think the Love 2021 was inspired. I'm not sure, but it gives you so much. It gives you like 5,000 fishes, whatever. What number is it? So if you have this game, you don't know a code, just enter that code. Then you have a lot of fish. So let's collect my fish. Might have to buy some stuff in the store. Might have to buy tables. Oh, I just upgrade the tables? That's boring, bro. That's boring. We don't need upgrades of tables. We need something better than upgrades. Upgrades is bad, bro. Let's just watch a quick ad, okay, guys? No volume. That was the ad. So it brings like 2 dolphins. Do I still have sounds on or no? I'm not sure if I'm muted. We're gonna make all these tables fresh. Oh boy, that's a lot of customers. Hey guys, guess what? I also bought fortune cookies, and these are really expensive, and they're only a limited time. And I have fortune cookies. It's just a lot of the. It's just I only see like 2 customers like buy it. They have like bought nothing else besides just. They have bought no fortune cookies. None. Clearly none. That's amazing. Oh. Sorry guys, I was kind of muted and I thought you could have heard me. And I was really wondering, so I had to make that. You saw that, right? When you watch this, you see those. Let's collect my fish. Should I upgrade more tables? Nah. Let's get bagel. Nice. Let's get this. Oh, nice. Oh, this is nice, bro. I got so much food in the house. I'm never gonna end out of food. That's free. I'm gonna earn I better earn so much money. So yeah. So when you watch this, you'll have people. You have people coming in here. You'll make more like songs, and then people will come to your restaurant. And then people will come in your restaurant even more. This is good. Let's buy French fries. Yeah, why am I buying so much good food that I think that's really good? I just need more customers. So, you see that blue button in the bottom? If you press that more, there's gonna be customers. So you see it, welcome to this. And then they're holding a piece of paper. Oh, a new customer, a new customer. A new customer. Yeah, it's a sheep. Yes, I'm thrilled. I've seen humans there. Pretty nice. They give me fresh grass and air. They let me wander about feeling every day. I don't need to worry about the packs of wool from the shivers, what I say. But oh yeah. Oh yeah, I just earned so much. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't know if I do much. Look at that. Oh, this gives me fish right there. Oh, now I see. Oh, that's why there was fish dropping there. That makes more sense. I'm such an idiot. I want to buy this and this, but I don't have enough. Wait. Made of pig. I need something to buy. I think it's food. Made of pig. Hot pork. Why is beer even in here? It's not even good for you. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, sorry about that, guys. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm back again. I'm just downstairs, and the TV news is freaking ruined it. So I had to mute it. This is just fun, just collecting fish. Got a mule. Gotta not be mute. Now I gotta be mute. Okay, I'll stop playing around. But I still have to do it if I need to. So you can't be like, no, don't do that anymore. I'm tired. Of that. So many good food, but I don't want to buy them. think that's a character. I can't. I'm not even sure. Should I hire staff or what? No, why am I giving them fish? I don't need to give them fish. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, can I just get fish? At least can I get a fish by myself? Please. Can you order something that's new, please? I kind of want to hire. I kind of want to fire the guy that takes their order because I want them to summon it. Wait, come on. Please. Why are they asking for that weird little sushi thing? Here, I hope you give me so much money. That's good. This is so much fun. So much fun. We're gonna wait for fun. Rating must be at least. I already got some food. I finally ordered food. Buy something. Should I risk it? Should I risk it for the biscuit? Oh wait, I already bought a biscuit in the game. Look right here. I mean a bagel. My God, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. What about fries? No, the fortune cookie is the most expensive thing I have. Should I buy? Oh, no, get out. Oh, he didn't even steal anything. He didn't even steal fish. I already tapped him so much that he already rage quit. That's so good. Had to mute again. Just putting volume down. Okay, it's not a prank. I'm actually. Okay, so looks like there has to be one code because it is this year, but it was like last month, so it was a Valentine's Day code. It was last month, so it's behind. Usually only codes are expired if it's a new year. It's another, not new year. You just want cheap. I need so much stars. What's this? Oh wait, no. Why? That's Christmas. Why is it New Year? It already passed New Year. Liar. That's a very big liar. What else do I have to buy? What do I have to buy again? If I hire her, she just sweeps up trash everywhere for 150 seconds needs to rest. So that's where we're gonna do nothing. It's gonna do nothing, Bisek, just clean the floor, even though I don't even see any dirty floor. Bisek, I just see a little bit of trash. Which it turns... Oh, finally got somebody to eat first. Which turns... Oh. which it turns to to what again? I forgot. This happened to me a lot of times. This video is just long and just me just doing really just nothing. Just collecting fish, okay? And I'm buying stuff. Like you want me to waste money. One. I'm not affording that. I'm not affording that. This guy just makes, and he smiles and it makes a lot of customer comes. It's kind of good. It's not that good though. It's just I want to get this. Look, this. But I need to have this bag to learn. It starts with an M. And I can't even find it. No. Let's just go all the way down. No. Chicken nuggets. That sounds so good. No. No. Close, I guess. I'm just looking for words that start with N. I was gonna say N. What? In the ads, they said this is like the poorest one. That's who you speak with. But no, this is too expensive. Are you kidding me? You're lying to us. With the ad, you say scary or cute. Pizza, bro. There's pizza. Yeah, this is the part I saw. Beard. I don't want to eat. I don't want to drink beard. Beard's not even good. I don't think. Why don't want to name myself? Oh, he wanted a big sick bag. Is that a staff? Oh, no batteries. What kind of batteries? Wait, that's not a staff. It's also not a food. It's a hazard one of this. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Take out. No, take out. Kitchen. Kitchen. What should I spend? This is too expensive. At least I like all of these are too expensive. I don't know. I really don't want to spend my fish But should I? So you have to comment down below if I should waste it like my fish. If I see yes, spend fish means you want to make me spend my fish. No, which means you don't want me to spend my fish. You can say anything. I want you to spend one fish. Oh wait, oh, panda guy, give me all those fish. Give me all those fish. Give me all those fish, bro. Yeah, it says the panda guy is really rich. What if he runs out of money? You can just get more. What if he has like infinite money? It said it said you had to click on him for fishes because he's rich. But if there's a timer for 3, 2, 1, that means he's gonna go away. Oh my god, look at. Comment down below no. It can be like something like, no, don't do it, please. Or something, and then comment down below, yes, or like something that's like, yes, please, I want to see you like spend all your fish. Okay, I will do it on anything. But if I see a comment that says spend it on something, I can do it, but I can't do it on expensive thing. So that'll be all for wrapping, peeps. We're gonna be ending. I know I've not been uploading since a month. So look, I couldn't do it. I was trying to get it perfect, but couldn't. I was trying to record playing my Nintendo Switch on Minecraft, but I couldn't do it. So you guys, remember, you can download this. Just download this game. Okay, let's reach for 10 likes for another video. For no likes, that's okay. Like how much likes or subscribe, or if I get no, I will still do this because you may love this a lot. So bye guys. I hope you will subscribe to me to never. Oh yeah, I forgot to like, subscribe. I got 3 things. 1, subscribe. 2, like. 3, do not. I actually got 4. 3. Oh wait, 1, subscribe. 2, like. 3, do not dislike, please. I have lots of things. 1, you can just don't dislike. 2, subscribe. 3, like. 4, comment. 5, use the. Don't be mean in the comments. Unless somebody's like mean to you. 6, don't unsubscribe. You can unsubscribe. But why? But I don't see anything wrong with that. Unless if you don't want to see me play a whole game. I don't see anything wrong with that. So I don't think you have to really unsubscribe. But you can. So see you later, guys. Bye. Ooh, if I record.